Hello, my name is Michael. I'm the mechanic and I'm using BIZOL products. Today I will show you how to clean injection system in gasoline engine. Today I have BMW in my workshop. It's 2.5 conventional injection system. Why it is important to clean injection system? After cleaning with BIZOL gasoline system Clean Plus P80, we can reduce fuel consumption, exhaust gases, and also we can improve engine performance. To prove the importance of cleaning the injectors, we decided to perform a test. Dirty injector tips contribute to poor fuel atomization. When the fuel is not atomized properly, it does not burn completely, which is easy to observe when measuring an exhaust gas analysis. Our BMW car has driven more than 300,000 kilometers and injectors are very dirty. Measurements taken before cleaning clearly showed that there is a problem with too much unburned hydrocarbons, HC, and nitrogen oxides, NO. The cleaning process consists in connecting the BIZOL device directly to the injection system. In case of this BMW, the factory fuel line should be looped or the fuel pump disconnected. Then we pour BIZOL Pro Gasoline System Clean Plus P80 cleaning fluid into compressed air tank and set the appropriate pressure. The pressure must be exactly the same as in the fuel system. In our car it is 3 bar. After connecting the car, start the engine for about 50 to 20 minutes. During this time, the cleaning fluid cleans the entire installation from carbon deposits. In addition, the fluid also cleans the combustion chamber, intake valves and the piston crown. The cleaning effects are visible in the second fuel analysis measurements. After cleaning, parameters such as HC and NO decreased more than twice. Reducing the emission of harmful substances is beneficial for the environment, but also reduces fuel consumption. Cleaning should be done regularly every 50,000 kilometers. How could you see the cleaning brought the expected results? My customer BMW engine runs much more better now.